This is an image of an external galaxy to our Milky Way, and it's about 2 million light years away from our Earth. You can keep peering deeper and deeper into the galaxy and see worlds without number, countless stars, and the amazing thing is when we look out into the heavens, we see literally hundreds of thousands and even millions of individual galaxies like this. Our facility here at West Mountain is comprised of our main building, which houses the largest of our telescopes, which is a 36-inch or 0.9 meter reflecting telescope. We're able to see very faint objects. We have two smaller telescopes. These smaller telescopes make it so we're able to also observe brighter objects. One of the problems in astronomy is that there's millions of objects that are still too bright to look at with a large telescope.
We're standing right now in the dome of the 36-inch. This is the large telescope that we operate here at West Mountain Observatory. We're kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and that's kind of how we want it to be, not just because we're antisocial, but because we actually try and stay as far away from light pollution and away from cities, so that way when we look at the sky, we're looking at the pure light from the stars and nothing else is inhibiting it.
This is a student-run observatory. Dr. Joner instructs us a lot of the time on how to run things once we get up here, but when we're here, it's just us. For better or for worse sometimes. There's no better teacher than experience.
I'm very grateful for Dr. Joner because he introduced me into research in undergraduate studies, and I'm grateful for him for helping me to start this path of growing into an astronomer.
This has definitely been one of the biggest highlights of my studies here at BYU, to be able to come all the way out on top of a mountain and operate telescopes looking at things that I've been reading about my whole life, and now I'm seeing them, and I'm one of the first people to see some of these objects that we're looking at. It's a very thrilling moment to have.
Pictures of galaxies, nova or nebula roll in, and you see just how visually appealing this is, and you realize this isn't just math anymore.
All it takes is just a few frames on a special camera, and we can see things that God has intended just for us to see.
Studying physics and astronomy really strengthens my testimony of the existence of a God.
The elements that make up our bodies were formed in a supernova explosion in a star. And so we're related to the stars very directly that way.